So, hello everyone, a very good evening to all of you. In today's video, I'm here to update you about free NMTC Stage 2 test series on my website niharikajani.com or olympiadschool.in. So, you will get the link of the test series in the description below. I'll just brief you out about the test series. As Stage 2 is a subjective paper, so obviously it is not possible to take subjective papers online. So, we made this test series which is numerical type, so there will be no options in the test, so you'll be getting question, you have to answer it and you'll get the result accordingly. And most important part is that all the tests will be provided with solution. So once you'll finish the test, you will get the solution of each and every question with the report card. So it is NMTC stage 2 test series available on these two websites, niharikajani.com, olympiadschool.in. So basically both are the same website only with different URLs, so you can use any and you can log in. Some kids face problem in login, some security issue or something like that. In the browser you have to change the setting to continue with the website, you'll be able to sign in. Fine. If you still face the problem, try incognito window, try some other browser and just click on the link, you'll be able to enter the, not most most of you will be having no problem, but if you face any problem in clicking the link and visiting the website, just check out with some other browser. Okay. So about this test series, I would like to tell you, the test series is completely free and it is for primary, sub junior and junior. So three links we have provided in the description below. You just have to sign up on our website with your mobile number and name, and then you get access of all the tests. But you'll see that the tests will be uploaded and you can attempt the test on these respective dates. We have freezed those dates with you. Okay. The dates are: test 1 will be of algebra 21st September, test 2 will be provided on 25th September, test 3 will be provided on 28th October, test 4 on 5th October, test 5 geometry 12th October, test 6 of geometry 15 October, and 2 full length tests. So you can clearly see that we have just, and these are same for every you can say every category: primary, sub junior and junior. So first test will be live on the website in this test course on 21st September. So from 21st September this will be there, you can attempt it, and test 2 will be live on 25th September, test 3 on 28th. So these are the fixed date for all the categories. So you can, if you want to appear in more than one category, for example, you just want to practice, all the tests will be different, you can log in all the three test series, share it with everyone. A numerical type, it will be there completely as per the stage 2 pattern, you will get the score in the similar way. Just the difference is that in stage 2 you get step marking. Even if the question is wrong, you're not getting the correct answer, you get step marking, but here you're not going to get the step marking. Another difference is that in stage 2 you'll get prove that questions, but in obviously in online I cannot give the prove that question, so I'll change those prove that questions in numerical type. Okay. So maybe for example you have to prove that a plus b plus c whole square is equals to 3 times of ab plus bc plus whatever, and then I'll just put the value of abc and I'll ask you that tell me the value of this, so it will be changed in numerical type. So ultimately all the prove that questions and will be converted in the numerical type. So that is the only flaw in this particular test series, that you will not be able to get step marking and the prove that questions. But I will do one more thing for you all, that after this test 8 I will be uploading two PDFs. Okay, 9 and 10 tests I will be uploading. You cannot attempt that test, but you can just check the 9th and 10th. In those 9th and 10th worksheet I will share two worksheet in which I will be providing you all the prove that questions. Okay, so you can practice it at the end. So that is the thing. So now most important thing, if you want to prepare for NMTC stage 2 with me live, so I'm taking live classes every week, one live class every week I'm taking. So you can join our gamma batch or delta batch for the same. Okay, in these batches we are taking the classes for NMTC stage 2.